Welcome to the training video for logging in and navigating through UltiPro, the payroll system used for Cameron Mitchell Restaurants and the Rusty Bucket Restaurant and Tavern. First, go to the website e32.ultipro.com. Your username will be your first initial, last name at RBRT for Rusty Bucket Associates, or first initial, last name at CMR for Cameron Mitchell Associates. Your username is not case sensitive. You will first use your birth date as your initial password. For example, Peter's birth date is January 1st of 1984. His password would be 01/01/1984. The system will then prompt you to create a secure password. You must use any combination of at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character, such as an exclamation point or a pound sign. You will have to confirm this password. Please be sure to write this down for future reference. Next, the system will generate security questions that you must answer anytime you change your password. Once in the main screen, you can navigate from the home screen by toggling right or left at the side of the screen. This is where you can find important information pertaining to the company or you as an individual. From here, to generate through the system, you'll click on the menu tab, and under the Myself button, you'll have several options where you can review or update personal information. You can look at job history or anything job related. Benefits are also available. And you can look at pay stubs, download pay stubs, or print W-2s. To update your personal information under the Personal tab, click on Name, Address, and Telephone. You can make any changes by clicking up top right under Edit. Update any address or telephone number or email contact information in the system, and then click Save. A notification will be sent to the payroll department indicating that you are requesting to submit updated information. Remember, back under the Menu tab, you can navigate under Myself to find any additional resources. If you have any questions, contact your manager or anyone in the Human Resources Department at the home office. Thank you and have a great day.